Universal Records, Miss Kathleen Digo. Hindi nyo alam, 2 years ago, may album si Papi Alden. At meron kaming sorpresa para sa'yo, Papi. Just for you, ha?
Magandang tanghali mga Dabarkads. Masayang-masaya po kami ngayong araw na to dahil nabigyan po kami ng opportunity na mabigyan ng Gold Record Award si Alden Richards sa kanyang first album under Universal Records. Congratulations! Given on this day, September 25, 2015. Congratulations!
Oh, thank you, Miss Kat. Hindi ko po in-expect.
2 years ago po, si Alden, medyo, yung itsura mo pa dito, medyo iba pa.
Oo, bata pa yan.
Meron kang nirelease na album 2 years ago and congratulations, gold na.
Hindi ko in-expect to, ha? Sandali.
Congratulations. And,
Thank you po sa lahat ng... Thank you po, at least kahit pa paano, pinakita niyo pa rin po yung suporta. Thank you. Thank you po.
Alden, masasabi lang namin from your Dabarkads, isa kang blessing sa lahat, isa kang blessing sa buong mundo, and you deserve all the success that you are receiving right now. Dahil sa lahat ng pinapasaya mong tao. Eto pa, mga Dabarkads, alam natin tong album na to, 2 years ago. Pero abangan nyo, may bagong album na i-release si Alden.
Yes, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Universal Records for trusting me with my first album. Of course, si Miss Kat and the whole of Universal Records trusted me. Kahit hindi naman po ako singer, binigyan nila ako ng chance. And of course, abangan niyo po, lalabas na rin po yung bago kong album under GMA Records. Pero for now, sa Universal po, thank you so much. Sa lahat po na sumuporta sa album ko, thank you.
Congratulations, Pops. Very, very well deserved. Lahat ng success mo, dahil sa pinapasaya mong tao, you deserve everything that you're, all the blessings that you're receiving right now. At lahat kami, very, very happy for you. Second album, abangan nyo. Aba, sigurado makang pa-platinum pa yan. Ito, nasa gold na.